I made this found object bird feeder for my Earth Day school project.
We're gonna need some pipe cones, bird seed, and peanut butter and string for this. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna get the pine cone and we are gonna tie the string to it. All right, got it. Now what we're gonna wanna do is that we're gonna wanna try and cut off the excess. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna get the peanut butter. We're gonna get it all over the knife. Just put it on. Yep, we're gonna paint it in peanut butter. So the reason why this is good to use as like an actual glue is because this has no sugar in it, it's just peanut. So you think about it, I'm just putting on a peanut onto a pine cone. That's just turned into some sort of butter thing. So basically it's just some peanuts, not anything added. Alright, so here it is, here it is, and here's our bird feeder. Now we're gonna wanna just toss it in there. Okay, so we're gonna want to grab this and we're just gonna cover it in birdseed. All right, here it is. Now we're going to tie it to the tree. The idea for this found object bird feeder came from my Aunt Karen, who lives in Kentucky. She sent me some of the supplies in the mail. Thanks for watching.